Hello guys, this is Tise, and today's class we're going to learn basically how to design that social media graphic for Nike. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, and don't forget to turn on the notification button because we'll be notifying and uploading content, so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. And if you have not followed me on Instagram, please do so at TSAH. So in today's class, I will basically be designing a simple social media graphic, and let's get started. So we go, and then we'll bring in one of the Nike's finest. So we click next, and then we rotate it maybe around 10. I think I'm okay with that. So we change the background to let's move this up. So we change the background to this color. I think basically we give that, and I think it's competing with the shoes, so let's look for a lighter area, and so that the shoes can come out much clearer. So from here we want what do we want? Okay, we want to have something like what do we want? We want Nike. So let's have Nike here. I think I'll go with a bigger font face, font type, and I think yes, I'm in love with this. I think I love this. So we turn it to white and send it to back. Okay, then duplicate, push it to front, and then turn it to black so you can see the placement very properly. Okay, I think that's done. So from here you can highlight it again, go to colors, and then highlight, select an object that has no background, something that let's say, okay, I think I have one here. No, it is not. Okay, so I have empty shapes. I think I do. Unknown, I have empty shapes. So I'm going to select one of them, and okay, I have it here. So I have an empty shape there, so it's going to remove, and then I bring in I give it white. So basically that is done, and then I think this background I might make a little lighter again or darker. I think let's check again. Do I love it like that? Then go back, select the Nike at the back, and then say change, apply something. Let's have something better. I think free royalty pictures. Can I get what I want? I don't think so. Let me see. Can I get that? I want something like stitches, and I need basically something beautiful, you know. But I want it on a white background, and I don't know why network is not friendly this morning, but I'm going to give you something good. Wow. Okay, let's check if we can get that. Alright guys, so this is not going the way I want, so I'm going to go to online and get a picture. So I'm gonna go online and get dots. I think it should be dots. Yes, good, awesome, well done. I think this is basically what I want. What's going on? I don't know. Download it, and we get back to our package, and then we select the button, the one at the back, and then we go to color, we change device, and we select that. So oh, it's too big, and I don't want that. I want something smaller. Whoa, I think it's too visible, so we have to create another thing to make that blend well. So I'm going to realign it in the front before I send it to back. Good, now I can send it to back. Select second to the last and reduce the visibility. Okay, so this is manageable but not exactly what I wanted. I don't know if I can get what I want. I think this should work out. One of these must work out for me. Let me get back to my work. Okay, select and go. So I'll get this. So let's see. I think this is better because this is exactly what I wanted. So and now I'm going to go to if that will come out the way I want it to be. Good. I think it does. Okay, since it's on black, I think I'm going to use black in everything here. So let's get to black. But if I'm converting it to black, my strips, we have a big problem. That's the bigger issue here. So this one has to also go to black, and we'll see. Then we'll reduce the outline. So we use black, and then since we're using black, what else do we need to change? We need to add a social media. So I'm going to add website here, nike.com. Like this, duplicate, take it this side, and then say at Nike sneakers. Okay, so we can put our social media from here. We say Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So I'm going to go to my custom and then social media. Social media. No, not you. Instagram. Good. So I think this is complete, but we can still bring them closer. Oh, you can bring them closer more. So I think, okay, website. Okay, so without this, I think let's just use any icon to represent, to put there in place of website. Okay. Okay. So we put it there to represent website. So I think this is complete. No, our text. Sorry, our text has not come in. Get sporty today. Get sporty. Okay. I think I already use everything on one line. I prefer that. And this. So good. I have what I want here. Let me crop it. Okay, crop. Send to back. And then go to erase and auto remover. Drag and drop on this green. I don't want it. Whoa. So 1 1. Oh, this is not funny. A minute. Okay, so delete this out. Take this one, align it properly, and then reduce the opacity. And send it to back. So guys, with this, I think this comes to the completion of our design. So thank you guys and enjoy your day. Thank you. Follow me on Instagram at GCH. Comment, like, and share my videos on YouTube at Joseph Green. Thank you.